Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a little game for Ariana. I'm going to use scissors, a knife, masking tape, any stick that you can find. I'm using her little play broom and this little cup. I'm going to attach it, some duct tape and a box. I'm going to cut some holes up here and then I'll show you how it looks. I'm working on the holes. You see, they look awful, but it doesn't have to be perfect. As long as you can make this little thing pop in. It serves its purpose. So I just tape the cup to the broom. I'm going to continue to make the holes. Our game is ready. I know it looks funny. Y'all can laugh. So I am just going to put these into the holes and wait for Ariana to hit them with her little hammer. Let's see. Ariana, you ready to play this game?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you come in front of me? All the way in front of me. Here's your hammer. Now pay attention. You've got to hit the cup. You can't look inside, cheater, cheater. Look at me. You're gonna make it harder?
No.
Come on, let's make it a little harder. Mommy's gonna put two things at a time. Is this a fun game?
Yeah.
Come on, faster, 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 faster. Okay, say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye-bye.
Say enjoy.
Enjoy. And I be the servant to put it.
Okay, can you come in front of me?
Okay, here.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ariana wants to be the one to actually put the cup through and have me hit it. Okay, let's give it a try. You gotta put it through the hole so I can hit it. Oh, I missed it. You're fast. This is fun. I hope everyone enjoys it, and don't worry about the holes. They're hard to make.